Sachin Yadav. How are all of you? So, friend, today I would love to share with you uh, how to improve your our English. So, four steps you can use improve for improve your English. Uh, so, as to improve your English, you can follow four steps like as reading, listening, writing, and practice speaking. You can say practice uh, uh, as like me. I am also a beginner for English, but I am able to improve my English day by day, uh, as much as I am trying to speak English. I'm practice keeping to practice day by day. So you can use like as me. You can practice like as me, and so uh, I think like as like as I am able to improve my English. I think. Uh, I should suggest you how how type you should use your structure. You know that I I has I has learned a lot of structure about English. Uh, my journey is not so hard. My journey was not hard because if you want to learn anything anyways anything, so this is not a conflict. This is a your passion, and in which you have passion, you will be improve on those. uh, so you will have to practice day by day. If you think about your mistake, so uh, if you want to ride a bicycle, so uh, you faced a problem about in road. uh, will you not fell down in on road? Will you not if hitting anyways anyway. So this is your this maybe your uh, pretend. I can say the pretend. So let let to the practice, let to the ride, let to the learned uh, with easy step. If you have passion, you can make a easy step day by day. uh, you can use Talk Now app, Cambly app. Talk Now app is a practice free of cost. You can practice free of cost, in which many people want to speak English, want to conversate others with others. So you can join uh, him. So friends, so as to learn, you will have to spend time for practice. So friends, you are thinking you will make mistake. Ignore it as much as you ignore it. So you can improve what you want to learn. Because without ignore criticize, without ignore mistake, you can't learn. Because you can, if you want to learn anything, so uh, you will have to face to make mistake. You will have to make mistake. Without making mistake, you cannot learn, you cannot remember. uh, I means, if you want to make if you have make mistake, so this will be remind you that you you cannot speak like veg. So so you will keep remind, this may be like as mistake. So you should try other ways, and you learn this session other ways, and you will be improve day by day, and you can learn everything what you want. So friends, this is my motivate video, and my suggestion this may be my suggestion. How am I how how I also learn about English. So uh, thank for watching the video, and uh, please subscribe my channel, and hit bell icon bit, so that you get information when I provide a new video. So bye bye.